How to make money through online courses. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore smart ways to manage your finances and unlock your financial potential. In today's video, we will dive into the world of online courses and reveal how you can leverage this booming industry to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting, this guide will provide you with practical insights and unique examples that apply to all people in all regions of the world. So, let's get started. Online courses have revolutionized the way people learn, offering a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. But did you know that you can also turn your expertise into a lucrative source of income? Here's how. Example 1. Market your expertise. Imagine you have a passion for photography and years of experience. By creating an online course, you can teach aspiring photographers the art of capturing breathtaking images. Through engaging video lessons, tutorials, and assignments, you can share your knowledge and skills with a global audience, earning money while doing what you love. Example 2. Teach in-demand skills. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking to acquire new skills to stay competitive. Let's say you're an expert in digital marketing. By developing an online course covering topics like SEO, social media marketing, and content creation, you can empower others to thrive in the digital landscape. With proper marketing and high-quality content, your course can attract students from around the world, generating a steady income stream. To effectively monetize your online courses, consider the following strategies. Example 3. Utilize established platforms. Leveraging established e-learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable allows you to tap into their large user bases. By creating a well-structured and engaging course on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience, attract more students, and generate income. Example 4. Create your website. Building your website to host and sell your online courses provides you with complete control and flexibility. You can design your courses according to your vision, set your pricing, and retain a higher percentage of the revenue. With effective marketing and search engine optimization (SEO) strategies, you can attract targeted traffic and increase your chances of success. Example 5. Offer coaching or consulting services. In addition to your online course, consider offering personalized coaching or consulting services. This allows you to provide one-on-one guidance to students who seek more individualized support. By charging a premium for these services, you can enhance your revenue streams and establish yourself as an expert in your field. And there you have it. By leveraging the power of online courses, you can turn your expertise into a profitable venture. Whether you choose to market your skills, teach in-demand subjects, or utilize established platforms, the opportunities are limitless. So, start creating your online course today and unlock your financial potential.